Okay, so thank you all. Thank you for joining the first session for AWS batch 430. Myself, Ankit Narula, I'm the trainer for this batch 430. So how we are going to start this day one? To start this day one, what I'm going to do it is, first of all, I'm going to give my introduction. After my introduction, then if you guys have any question related to your career, related to training, any questions if you have, you can raise your hand and ask your question. Now, so myself, Ankit Nerula, I'm the trainer for this batch 430 AWS batch, AWS Architect Associate batch 430. So I have total 11 plus years of experience in IT industry. Out of this, in first 3 years, I worked in Oracle applications as a techno-functional consultant where we are writing SQL queries, PLSQL queries, modifying form, generating reports, and doing some financial setups as per our client requirement in Oracle applications. It's also called as Oracle ERP. And then from last 8 years, I'm working on top most two cloud platform which we have in market, AWS and Azure. I'm working on both the cloud platform from last 8 years. This is about my professional experience. Coming to my training experience, I'm giving training from last 10 years. Earlier, I was giving training on Oracle application. From it's been a long time, I'm giving training on cloud platform. With logical apps, I'm currently giving training on AWS DevOps, AWS Terraform, Azure Admin, Azure DevOps, and Azure Terraform. Currently, these are the trainings I'm providing with Logic Labs. So this is about my professional and training experience. Now, if you have any question, you can please raise your hand and ask your questions. If you have any question related to your career, related to training, any doubt you want to ask, you can please raise your hand. Anyone wants to ask any question, anything related to anything? Yes, you can unmute.
Hello. Hi, sir. This is Tiger.
Hi, hi there.
Yeah. So currently now I'm in the Riyadh working as a IT assistant and 3 years of experience in the IT support. I did my CSC course in two technologies
Sorry,
two
your
years
voice is
ago,
cracking. Can you please repeat again?
and I did Azure last year.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, I did my
Heather,
I
your voice
did
is
the MPSC
cracking.
code. Hold on a second, sir. Just give me a minute. I'm just
Now it is clear.
coming out, sir. Yeah. I did my I did Azure course last year, but right now I'm working as a IT assistant.
Hmm.
So little bit confused which platform should I move on to, like Azure or the AWS.
No, it's your call. It's your call. You want to move to Azure or if you want to move on AWS. I'm working on both the cloud platform. I know both the clouds.
Yes.
So you can learn both also if you want.
Yeah.
Wherever you get the opportunity, grab that opportunity. Why you have to go for specifically go for one thing? And right now, currently, market is the one, whatever the opportunity you are getting it, just move to that opportunity. Don't try to
In
wait
the
that you will get this specific opportunity. Whatever you can learn, learn lot of things. Now, it doesn't mean that I'm just giving six trainings, logical apps. I'm just stuck to these one. No, I'm learning new tech. I'm in my company have some other opportunities. I already got some other opportunities also. I'm working with those also, other than these platforms also. So don't right now the current situation which is there in the market, you can't stuck with one thing. You need to know a
Yes.
lot of things. You need to have a lot of things in your resume. If you even not in resume, you have to know that. Whatever you know,
Yeah.
just modify your resume based on the current situation, which are the opportunity you are getting, and grab that opportunity.
Okay, sir. In the Saudi Arabia, most of the companies I have inquired, they are using AWS. So I'm planning
AWS is number
to,
one cloud. Azure is
yes,
number two.
number two, yeah.
So whatever the
So I'm,
opportunity you are getting, grab that.
yes.
Okay?
But the timings, it's not suitable for me because my office ends at 5 or 5:30. Start from 8, but in the Saudi Arabia 5. It means in India around 7:30. But doing the
It's
next batch or this batch, I'm right now confused.
I can only plan the right now. I only plan one batch, 6:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. as per India time and as per US 7:30 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. I'm living in US, Kansas. So
Okay,
as per me, the time is actually this one, 7:30 a.m. to 8:30 a.m. CST, and as per India, this is the time.
okay,
I can't plan batch after that because after 8:30 I have to start my office work.
yes.
So I can't
But
plan any
we will get the recordings, right?
Yes,
Recording
if
classes.
you are going to join this course, let me show you what other things you will get from our side. Just a minute. Here it is. Here is that full list you will get. You will get on daily basis live training, recording, training PDFs. To give this training, I'm using some PDFs which are or PPTs I'm using, which I'm converting in the form of PDF. These are the one. It's already ready from my side. On daily basis, I'm uploading these PDFs. Total 97 PDFs you will get. In 94 PDFs we are learning it. 95 and 96 is two self-learning projects you will get. And in the last one you will get quiz, sample resumes, and other things you will get, which is mentioned here. Like you will get self-learning Linux commands, dump, the AWS document, which is more than 900 page document, and I have created this document. This is not from anyone else. This is my created document. Sample resumes, interview question, quiz. AWS have a service called Code Commit. For that particular service, also you will get a document, and there's two self-learning project, which you will get at the end of the training. These things you will get at the end of the training. Okay. If you join this course, you will get all these things from my side.
Okay, sir, I got it.
Any more question? Okay. Yes, Sanjay, you can unmute. Sanjay, you can unmute yourself. You have raised your hand.
Oh, sorry, I was speaking on a mute. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
And thank you, sir, for allowing me to share my query. Sir, I just wanted to know what basic detail we require to complete this course. Is there
Nothing
any
is required.
background? Yeah,
Nothing
background,
is
nothing.
whatever is required in this training, I'm covering in this training. To work on cloud platform, it's saying that you need some basic Linux knowledge to start working on AWS or Azure. They're saying that, but that's why it is part of the course content. I have added some basic Linux command. I'm not going in much more depth for Linux command in this training. Just basics I'm teaching because this is not a Linux training. So basics I'm covering in this one. That's why I'm providing you one link also, Linux
Mm.
commands. So if you're interested to learn more about Linux command by using those, you can learn by yourself also. Basics I'm going to cover, basic Linux commands.
Okay, so with the help of this basic Linux command, so can
You
we
can work on cloud platform. Yes, easily you
okay,
can work.
we can crack the interview, right? Without any issue.
Yeah, because they are not going to ask you about interview question about Linux command. No one is going to ask. They'll ask about only AWS. If it's AWS, they only ask. It will help in your work. So that's why I'm giving you a link also where you can learn more Linux command. We can do that.
Yeah.
Okay.
And sir, what is the fee for this? If I'm going to complete the certification through the AWS, Amazon, so what would be the fees
For AWS,
yeah, AWS
AWS
Solution
is
Architect Associate?
it's near about some 15,000 rupees. I don't remember exact amount. It's some 15 or 16,000 rupees.
Oh,
They are charging for that. You can give that exam from anywhere. You can give from your home also, or you can go to their Pearson Center. You can do from there also.
yes, there is option.
Yeah, you can do that. And that's why for that particular certification, you will get a dump. With the help of dump, you can easily clear the certification.
So can we reschedule this our training session from the early morning 7:30 to 8:30
I
or
I can't
6:30?
provide. It's 7:30
6:30
to
to
8:30 as per my time.
okay,
As per
CST.
India CST time zone, it's US one, not from India. India is 6 p.m. to 7:30 p. I can't change the time because for me it will be evening timing.
So sir, can we do it on
No,
6:30 to
not
7 in maybe 1 or 2 hours after
I can't change my time
attendance?
change because I have other batches also going on. I have other Azure batch going on recently, which it's already started long back. So I started that batch also, and I have my work after this, so I can't change the
Mhm.
time. This is the time I'm giving only to this batch.
Okay, sir. If there is nothing, any possibility, then we can continue.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, welcome, sir.
Any more question? Okay. I'm sharing some more details in the chat box, then I'll come to you guys again. I'm sharing the WhatsApp community of this batch 430. If might be anyone has missed joining the WhatsApp community of this batch 430, you can please join by using the link which is shared in the chat box. I'm also going to share the course content link in the chat box. If you haven't seen the course content, you can check by using the link shared in the chat box, or if you have joined the WhatsApp community, in that WhatsApp community description, you will find the link there. The next thing I'm going to share is our social media details. You can please follow us on social media also. Next thing, I'm going to share our team contact details. If you have any issue related to making payments or related to Zoom link, you can email them on this particular email address, or you can also message them on WhatsApp on this number. And one more thing I'm going to share is my email address. So please make a note down of my email address shared in the chat box. And why I'm giving my email address to you, because in upcoming sessions, whenever you're going to start practicing, definitely you have some issues, you get stuck somewhere, or you have any doubt, you can email me anytime whenever you feel comfortable. You can email me whenever I'm going to check your email, I can reply. You don't have to wait for the next session to ask the question. Don't wait for next day, or because we don't have any session on Saturday, Sunday, no session on weekends. So you don't have to wait for Monday to come to me and ask the question. Whenever you get stuck, email me. I'll try to reply you as soon as possible. Whenever I'm checking that email, I can reply you. So please, and whenever you're going to email me, please make sure email me with full details, with your query, whichever you have, screenshots, email me. Okay, now you can unmute. Sheikh, you can unmute yourself.
Yeah, hi Ankit. Hope you're
Hi,
doing well.
I'm
Yeah,
good.
I'm not sure if you recall me. Twice I attended your this batches of Amazon
I think
DevOps.
you are the one email me who's asking for the when I'm going to start the AWS batch.
Yes, right. For the this architect one associate, because I
Yep.
wanted to join your batch only. So your this
Yeah. From last 2 months, I think you're sending me emails.
yes,
Yeah, I
correct.
remember now.
In
Yep.
2023, I attended yours, so based on your like the way of method and all, it's really appreciated. So
Thank you.
thanks for that. I did the two certificate courses like completed, yeah. So okay, I think you provided the links and all that of Logix Lab also here. I'm unable to copy from this
You
chat. I'm
can't
not sure.
copy from the chat because it's by default disabled from Zoom. You
Okay.
have
So
to
how
click
to?
on those links. That's where the links are there. You can click. Other than that, only my email address and support that you can manually note down.
Oh,
No,
okay.
it's by
And
default disabled from Zoom. I can't do anything in this.
so we have to click and we have to copy and paste it at our end,
Yep.
right? Locally.
Yes.
Okay. And the other thing is that just my Amazon account, like console.
Hmm.
So, to pay that monthly bill, I created one infra last time.
Hmm.
So that
Hmm.
I pay usually, but like I pay from the mobile. So when I log in from the this what do you say laptop, so it is asking for some QR code. I'm not sure. Maybe I need to
It
what?
might be because of MFA. They are asking because MFA is mandatory nowadays
Okay,
for your
okay.
AWS account. You have to
So what I
configure
need to,
MFA.
how do we, any steps or anything? Can you,
We'll learn that in upcoming session. Don't
okay,
worry.
fine, no worries, no
That's
worries.
important thing, very important thing. You have to do that. It's a multiple
Okay,
verification. It's mandatory nowadays from every company. Even Microsoft had done that. AWS has done that. I think every company start doing it. Even my
okay,
insurance company mobile app, which I have it. They update their policy. I got an email just last week that from next month we have to do enable MFA for even in mobile apps also. It start doing it. So nowadays every company is very strict on these things. They
okay,
are doing it.
fine.
Okay, we will learn that. Don't worry about that.
Yeah. Because I'm
Okay,
not able to log in like there, that's why I was,
and
okay, fine.
don't if your account is older than 1 year, just try to create a new account. Okay, and we'll
No,
learn in
actually,
tomorrow.
yeah, I
Yes.
created an infra over there also. So, and since I don't want to, what we say, delete that account. So, whatever bill which comes every month, I keep on paying that. So, if possible,
Just
that will be useful. We'll take it later, like if you
you
want, no
can
problem.
don't delete that. Just delete your resources, whichever you have. Don't keep any resource, and create a new account. Why you have to use the old account where you are getting a bill? Why rather than
Yeah,
use a
but
free account?
yeah, no, I got it. But the point is that I am not able to log in there now, like
Oh, okay, you are not
to
able to.
see the resource to delete the resource. That is the thing.
Okay, we will see.
Though I created only one resource, so it's not a very huge bill also. So that's what, not created much resources over there, like infra from the infra perspective.
Okay, we'll see that. How do you? I'll let you know how to enable MFA, and then you can enable
Yeah, so
MFA.
yes, one to one, if we communicate later on, whenever you have time, it will be much appreciated.
One
Maybe
to
a
one
call
might be
later.
not possible, but you can
What?
email me. I can check on. I'll reply on email. Like earlier, I
Okay,
replied your
fine.
email.
Yeah, fine. No worries.
Okay. And we'll
Yeah,
learn in upcoming session how to enable MFA also.
yeah, okay,
Okay.
fine.
Thank
Yeah.
you. Yes, Ganesh, you can unmute.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, how is the market for AWS and DevOps in the current scenario?
It is good right now because AWS is number one in the market right now as compared to other technologies also.
Is the AWS is only sufficient to crack the job, or is it any
Very,
other course like DevOps is required?
you have to go for it because like earlier I was talking with one person also. Right now, in market situation, they don't need a person with just only one thing. They need to have lot of things in your hand. The person needs to do a lot of things. They're not going to only hire up. They are hiring it, but that person is like a fresher. If a person is fresher, then they can definitely hire a person who has only AWS knowledge. But if you are going with some experience and you need a good package, only AWS is not sufficient. You need to know DevOps also with that.
Okay. Are there good openings for DevOps right now in the current scenario also?
Yeah, it's there.
Okay.
You are from which
Okay,
country?
excellent. From India only.
Yeah, it is. It will be there in India also. I'm not much aware of India nowadays. I'm aware of US, but yes, in US we have. And definitely in India will be there if it's in US.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, that's a good thing.
Anyone have any more question? Anyone have any more question? Please raise your hand. Yes, you can unmute. Tangi, you can unmute yourself. You have raised your hand.
Okay, I have a question.
Hmm.
First of all, I want to greet everyone present. And my question is, I think I saw two flyers from your course. I think it's the AWS Architect Associate and AWS Devo. So I want to know what are the differences, and maybe there are some requirements for which you
In
can best suit one of the courses.
in AWS, we are learning AWS services. In DevOps, we are going to learn AWS DevOps services. Services are not same. Services are different. Right now, this training is about this one. AWS Solution Architect Associate. And then it's a DevOps one. Here is it. DevOps is professional level. So these are level of certifications. This is what we are learning right now. The next step is this one. So first step is foundational. This is completely optional. You don't have to go for this foundational and waste your time and money. This first step is
Okay?
you can consider associate. This is associate level. The next step is professional. This is next level.
Okay.
And every certification have a different AWS services.
Okay, I see. Because I actually now I'm currently doing maybe Python, the course of Python. So I don't know if maybe is it the same thing with the devils or
So
have any relation to do with it.
Python is for development. They help you to develop something. But
Yep.
yes, with Python, if you know cloud, it's a good opportunity. You can grab it.
Okay.
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 Any more question?
Not.
No. Yes, you can unmute.
Hi, Ankit. This
Hi.
is Samapurnesh. Without AWS solution architect, we can able to crack DevOps certificate or not. That
No,
is my point.
no. To go for
First,
a
we have to go with.
professional certificate, you need to have an associate certificate. It's mandatory. Without
Okay.
foundational, you can go to associate. This is not mandatory certification. The first step is this one, second step is this, and the third step is this one. So
Okay.
it's
Like
mandatory to
after
have
having
associate.
associate, we can go for DevOps,
You can
AWS
go for
DevOps.
any of the professional level. After having associate certificate, you can go for professional level.
Okay. Thank you.
Anyone have any more question? Yes, you can unmute.
Do we really need to complete the certifications? So my main objective is I'm working on, example, Python based. So AWS going to add additional skills for me. So that case, do I really need to complete the certification?
Okay, before asking a question, may I know you're from which country?
India.
Okay. Certification is not mandatory. It's not required that you have to go for a certification. And you said you are from India. I'll give you India situation also. In India, if you just go for certification, or even in any country, not just in India, actually, if you have a certification will give you a call. And it doesn't mean certification will give you a job. No. Certification will not give you a job. Certification will just get a call from the company. You get selected for the interview. In the end, the knowledge which you are going to get in this training, the knowledge which you are going to get, that knowledge will help you to clear the interview. Okay. And in India, especially in India, they are checking your knowledge, not your certification. In US, they'll give first preference to certification. They'll see that person has a certification, then more chances that you'll get a call. In US, in India, it's not like that. In India, they are always checking your knowledge first. Okay.
Yeah.
So certification is not mandatory. If you want to give, you can go for it. It's not mandatory. Any more question? Okay, Sheikh, you can unmute. Sheikh, you can unmute yourself.
Yeah, I'm audible now.
Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah, I was just asking, this course will cover only the cloud part, or does it include the DevOps part also?
No, this is not a DevOps training. In this one, we are not covering any DevOps part.
Okay.
In DevOps training, we are covering DevOps. In DevOps training, we are not going to cover AWS associate things.
Okay. So
So
do you
both are
have any
different.
other batch also for DevOps in?
Not right now. It's not. I don't remember it's any planned by our other trainer also. You can check on our website. Let me check for you guys. Logical. If you go to Logical Abstract, if you go for upcoming batches, here is it a batch plan from 2nd of September, 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. IST, Monday to Friday by Sunil. This is the batch they have planned. But this is level 2. Level 1 is AWS, level 2 is AWS DevOps.
Okay, fine. And in this course, does we cover Terraform also?
Which course?
No, in the current course, the AWS.
This
Which you are
AWS course, which
teaching.
I'm going to take right now, 4:30? No. In this one, there is no DevOps. Terraform is a separate course.
Okay, Terraform is completely separate.
Some AWS Terraform is completely a separate course, which is some near about 17 to 18 days of training. It's a completely separate course. Here it is. This recently I have completed 4 to 6 batch. You can see here. This is the batch.
Okay.
This is a completely a separate course which was completed.
Okay.
So it's a separate course. Nothing is part of Terraform is going to cover in this training. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Anyone have any more question? Okay, someone has more question. Yes, you can unmute.
Yeah, I think I have another question on the payment part. Because I was trying to pay for my sister and I for the course, but I don't know if you can double the payment directly. And do you also accept PayPal payment or only credit card?
If you want to pay from our website, then you can pay by using your credit card. You can pay. If you pay from our website, if you want to pay by using PayPal, then you have to contact our support team. Just email them that you need to pay by using PayPal. They will provide you the details, and then you can pay, and then they will add your course from the backend.
The word of paying for somebody, you need certain information to do that.
But if you want to pay for somebody, we need their login details of our website. So one thing you can do it is first make an account for them in our website for your sister. In logicalabstract.com, make an account. Let me just a minute to show you. Okay, it's already login it. Here is it. So here we have a login option. You have to create an account. Just give your name, email address, password, your contact number, click on next, and then your account to get ready in 2 minutes. And then you can open that particular course, whichever you want to pay, and then you can pay directly from our website. But if you want to pay using PayPal, you have to contact support team, but still you have to create an account in our website. And you
Okay.
have to provide the email address and the password to our support team so they can buy that course for you from the backend.
Okay. No problem.
Okay.
But I think one more thing. I saw you
Mhm.
have an application. I think I don't know. Can we still use it through mobile app or something like that?
Yes, we have a mobile application also, which is for Android only. We don't have app for right now for iOS. We have for Android with the name Logical Apps.
Yeah, yeah.
I can share this link in the chat box. You can download that mobile app in your mobile also. You can access that videos from mobile app.
Okay, which
And
means that after we create an account, all the videos, the past question, the PDF will be sent to our account inside the
we'll
website.
upload in our website. We'll upload so you can access from there.
Okay.
On daily basis, we'll upload the recordings and the notes, whichever I'm going to use, the PDFs, I'm going to upload there.
Okay, now I see.
Okay, you can download the notes if you want to
Okay.
download the notes on your on your laptop or desktop. You can download also. Recordings you can't download, but you have for lifetime access.
Okay.
To download the recordings, if you want to download, you can only download in your mobile app, like a YouTube videos. YouTube videos you
Yeah.
can download in your mobile app. Same way, you can download these recordings also in your mobile app just to for offline access. But if you change the phone, you have to re-download again.
Oh, I see.
Okay.
Okay. That's good. Then
Any more question?
one last question. I
Hmm.
think I will just ask for the because I asked uh, minutes ago about the AWS Devo. Does it mean you have to do maybe the architecture before you move to the DevOps or to the Devo?
To DevOps certification, it is mandatory to have associate certification. It's a first
Oh,
step for certificate. It's a
okay.
first step. Then the next step is DevOps.
Oh, yeah, I see.
Okay.
Okay,
Thank you.
thank you.
Yes, you can unmute.
Yeah, hi.
Hi.
So yeah, in this session, you are covering all the basics of AWS, right? So how to create the AWS account and the deployment of application and the cost of the all services.
Deployment of application is not part of this training. We are not going to deploy any
Okay.
application. We are learning about AWS services.
Okay,
And
just
it's not
creation of services.
it's
Hmm.
deployment of application is not part of coming under AWS associate level. That's not their part, the part of the job to deploy any application. Their part is to use to
Okay.
manage those AWS services.
Hmm.
Deploy an application is part of DevOps person. And developer has to create that code. They have to write that code, and then DevOps person has to run the pipelines.
Yes, right. Yeah, sometimes the developer also need to aware on this, right?
No,
But yeah, you are not covering in
it's
this. Okay.
it's
Hmm.
part of their one. If they want to learn, yes, like earlier I said, you need to have more knowledge. Whichever you can learn, you need to have that. But
Okay.
associate person don't have to have the developer's knowledge.
Okay. Yeah.
Any more question? Okay. Okay, so let's understand about some introduction about AWS. Whenever a word AWS is coming, the first thing needs to come in our mind is cloud computing, because all the cloud platform, AWS, Azure, Google, are created based on a technology called cloud computing, which we can access from any part of the location. Any part of the world we can access this cloud platform. From any remote location we can access, and this cloud platform can be accessed from any network also. It can be accessed from public network, or it can be accessed from private network. Public network is the one which I'm using right now, the normal internet connection which we have at our home. That's public network. Private network is VPN. So you can access this cloud platform by using VPN also. And you can use this cloud platform for anything. You want to build any application, any infrastructure for storage, for any purpose, you need the cloud platform. You will get that particular service and you can use. It's up to your client requirement, whatever the requirement they have, the cloud platform is going to provide you that particular service. And here we have some features about cloud computing. I'm not just going in much more detailing about these features, but yes, one feature I'm going to discuss is pay as you go. In if you're using your cloud platforms, you have to only pay for that particular time which you're going to use. Like, let's say example, I have a one AWS service which I've used for only for 2 hours. So I have to pay only for 2 hours. I don't have to pay for full day, for full week, or full month. No. If I'm using that particular service for 2 hours, I'm only paying for 2 hours. Now, let's take example. I want to make my one application and I want to install all those hardware in my office. If I want to make an application and if I want to install all the hardware in my office, think about how much it is going to cost. Just a estimate amount I can take, it's 1 million, it's going to cost me 10 lakh, or or I can say 1 million, it's going to cost me. But you have to invest a huge amount if you want those physical server in your office. You need backup internet connection, you need electricity backup, you need to take a backup of your data. If anything get happen to your original servers, you have a backup of your data. So you have to think about lot of things if you're going to go on your on-premises servers where you have a physical server in your office. You need a space also. You need to pay a rent for that space also. So everything is coming under costing. But if you are using a cloud platform, while starting your application, how much money you have to invest? Zero. Zero you have to invest when you want to start your making application. But if you want to do it in your own physical server, you have to invest a huge amount of money. This is also one benefit. You don't have to manage your own servers. That's why every company is moving to cloud platform. They don't have to worry about investing huge amount of money. And every few years, a company have a policy, they have to upgrade their servers. Or even in companies also, they are changing our laptops after every few years. Why they are doing it? Because that's their policy. And in AWS, whenever they have to upgrade their server, do we have to worry about those? Do we have to invest any money to upgrade their servers? No. You don't have to worry about upgrading their servers. They are the one who is going to take care of those things. So you don't have to invest any money. You don't have to about upgradation of your servers. Nothing. That is completely taken care by the cloud platform. Okay. Now coming to different types of cloud computing we have. One is called deployment model, other one is called service model. Under deployment model also we have three types: public, private, hybrid. In service models also we have three types: IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS. Now, what's the main difference in these? All the cloud platform, whichever we are using it, it's AWS, Azure, Google Cloud, Oracle Cloud, all these cloud platforms are called as public clouds. All the cloud platforms are called as public cloud. Then what is private cloud? The one which is installed physically in our own office, where client has to make their own cloud. That particular cloud is called as private cloud. Private cloud is also called as internal cloud or corporate cloud. But for this one, you need to have a physical servers in your own office, or might be in some other location. Your company have their own servers. That particular cloud is called as private cloud. And then we have hybrid cloud, where your client is using public and private, both the cloud platform. Means they might be using AWS also, or Azure also they're using, or they have their own physical servers also for some application. That type of cloud is called as hybrid cloud. So these three types are coming under deployment model. Now coming to service model. The first is IaaS, infrastructure as a service. All the cloud platforms are coming under infrastructure as a service model. Why it is coming under infrastructure as service model? Because we are going to use their infrastructure. We are using their server, their hardware, their network, their storage, their internet connection we are using. So all these things are coming under infrastructure as a service model. Then platform as a service. In AWS, we have a service called Elastic Beanstalk, which we are also going to learn in upcoming session. This particular service is coming under platform as a service. Why it is coming under the platform as a service? Because here we are going to use AWS as a platform, and we just upload our code. And what are just basic details we have to select. Whatever the infrastructure is required, that is completely taken care by the cloud platform. You don't have to worry about the infrastructure while using this Elastic Beanstalk service. Then the third is software as a service. Nowadays, all these mobile applications are, not all I can say, but most of the mobile application are software as a service. Gmail, Dropbox, WhatsApp, Telegram, Amazon, Netflix, all these coming under software as a service, where they have a web application also, and they have a mobile application also. If I want to access WhatsApp, I can access from my mobile also. I can access from a browser also. Same Telegram, Gmail, Netflix, Amazon Prime, Amazon. I can access from my laptop also, from desktop also, from a mobile also. So most of the things, mobile app, most of the companies are making software as a service, where we have web and mobile applications. So these are the few types of cloud computing we have. And which cloud we are going to learn in this training? Amazon Web Services. Which company has created this cloud? AWS, in the year 2006. They have invested a huge amount of money in data center across the global, and right now they have 36 regions. Now, what is regions? Regions is like, I can say, data centers. They have data centers in different locations. They have a total in 36 locations. They have data centers. It is increasing. It is increasing globally. Now you can see it's 37 now. Few days before it's 36, now it's 37. So it means they have created one more region. And still few more are going on. Now we can see also. Okay. So here we have North America. Here they have mentioned where they have. On the left hand side, we are getting it. And go to South America. They have one is going on and this one is coming soon. So it means it's in the future they have 38. So here is one. Okay, one more they are creating here. This is the one on this coming soon. So they can have few more regions in coming days. So here is one more Kingdom of Saudi Arabia coming soon. In Africa, they have only one in Cape Town. Yeah. Asia Pacific. Here we have. In India, they have two, one in Hyderabad, one in Mumbai. Two they have right now. Hyderabad, they have started in year 2022. Mumbai one is 2016. So here we have the one. You can click there, you will get. Thailand one started in year 2020. This is the recently one they actually started. The recently one, Thailand one. And then Australia and New Zealand. Here we have. In New Zealand, it is coming soon. So it means right now they have 37 in 3 or 4, I think they'll get more in upcoming days. So it means future it's going to be 41 count. So 41 in 41 places they have their data centers. So why they need that much of data center? To give better connectivity to their customers. So they have a better connectivity. They can get more customers. So that's why they are investing more amount of money in their regions. Now, when you're going to create your AWS account, do you have to start paying from day one to your AWS account? No. Whenever you're going to create your AWS account for your practice purpose, they are giving you some free quota. So you will not get any bill. You can easily practice. Now, when you're going to create your AWS account, you will get three subscriptions, three free options you will get. One is coming under 12 months free, one is coming under always free, and one is coming under trial period. Now, here is the full list which we can check which AWS service is coming under which option. So, wait more, just a minute. Let me see full one. Okay. Okay, the look and feel has been changed. Okay. Okay, so here we have a filter option. Plan type. Free plan. Just a minute. This is something new they have added. Okay, so this is what actually we are getting here. Now, this is coming under free plan. So here we have these things are coming under a 12 months free. So whichever services are mentioned here, this is coming under your free plan. Always free. You want to see. Let me uncheck. Update. Here we have. These are the services which are always free. Now, it doesn't mean it's always free that you can use unlimited. No, you will get a per month quota from their side, which is coming under always free. And even which are coming under your free plan. In this one also you will get per month quota free. Now, how we can see? We can click on learn more. Not just a minute. They have changed the look and feel. Okay, here we can see view details. Here I'm getting. They have mentioned the types. If you use these types, then they are not going to charge us. If we use these types, they are not going to charge us. Here also, if you see here, RDS, here we have mentioned the types. Go back. Lambda view details, here it is. They've mentioned the free details here. This is 1 million requests free per month we will get. So here in this link, the link which is mentioned here, you can select the plan type. Short-term trial, we can also see. Here we are getting. Now, short-term trial one are those one which is getting only for few days. Like for 45 days or 30 days or like only 50 hours you will get. Like here they have mentioned up to 750 are for the first 30 days. So it means this particular service is only free for first 30 days, only for 750 hours. Whatever the services part of this associate level, all are coming under free plan. So you don't have to worry about the billing here. Most all services are coming under free plan. And let's see the paid plan also, what we have here. Here we go. So these are the completely paid services. So after this 30 days, it's going to start charging you. So these are coming under paid plan and short-term trial one. You want to see more? Here you can see more. So here you have to select the plans. So these services which are coming under free plan, these are coming for 12 months free. These are such for 12. From the day you are going to create your AWS account, for next 12 months, you have it free. Now, in upcoming session, we are also going to learn about how to check how much free quota you have used. You can check also. We will see in upcoming session, so you don't have to worry about that how much I have used, so I'll get a bill. You can check your free limit also there. And this particular link is given in the PPT, so you don't have to worry about it. Now, here is this market review we are getting it. As per the current market review, AWS is number 1, number 2 is Microsoft, number 3 is Google, 4 is Oracle. This is the complete market situation we have right now. Every year we are getting a market review. This is the current market review which you are able to see here. And these are the services which we are going to learn in this training. We can count how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, and 28 services, which is part of this training. These are the 28 services which we are going to learn in this training, and duration for this course is near about 45 days. Each session is going to be near about 1 hour. Session timing is, start time is always this one. Start timing, Monday to Friday, this is a start timing we have. End timing, it can be up and down, depend on the topic which we are learning. 5-10 minutes up and down can be possible. But start timing, I'm going to start the session exact at that particular timing. And after completion of this training, if you want to go for any certification, you can go for this particular certification, and this particular certification number is SAA-C03. This certification you can go for. And if you're going to join this course, these are the things you will get from our side on daily basis. You will get these things. At the end of the training, you will get these things. And once we complete Linux commands, you will get Linux commands link also, where you can learn more Linux commands. So this is what we have for my side for day one. Any question anyone have, please raise your hand. Yes, you can unmute. Sheikh, you can unmute yourself. Sheikh, you're on mute right now.
Yeah, sorry. I was on mute. Am I audible now?
Yes.
Yeah. So the last PPT, what you showed that regarding what all are there. Okay. So like the Unix commands and all that which you showed. So it will be just a short this thing, right? It will not be in very much detail as you gave in the Amazon Web Services batch, right? Mean to say this is the architect course, so it will just cover the brush up kind of things of the previous whatever which are required prerequisites. Correct? No?
Well, Linux commands you're talking about.
Yes. Linux, either Linux
Two
command and
sessions for Linux commands will be there.
4 sessions. Okay.
Two.
Oh, sorry. Okay. 2 sessions. Okay,
Two
fine.
sessions will be there for Linux commands.
Okay, fine. And we can download all the PPTs and all that of the entire course, of the link which you have shared.
Notes you can download. Whatever the notes will be there, you can download all the notes. Recordings you can't download. Only if you want to download, you can download in your mobile app for offline access. But if you change the mobile, then again you have to download for offline access in the new phone.
Okay, fine. And
Notes you
Ankit,
can
one more
download.
thing. Okay, fine. Thank you for that. And regarding this in the Logics Lab, I hope that all the respective batches, which are there, which we have attended, so those we are visible from where we can download the previous notes also if we require, correct?
Yeah, you have to make sure you log in from the account which you have created earlier. If you have that
Okay.
login details, then yes, you can access easily.
Okay. Fine.
We have to log in from the same login details. If you don't have,
Yes.
then it's going to be problem for you. Then you can't access.
Okay. Fine. Thank you.
Okay. Anyone have any more question? Okay, in tomorrow's session, we are going to learn about how to create our AWS account. I'm going to show you how you can create our AWS account. It's very easy to create. And then we are going to start our first AWS service called EC2. We are going to start this particular service in tomorrow session. Anyone have any question, please raise your hand or we can end the session here. Okay, look like no one has any more questions. So with this, I'm going to end this session here. In tomorrow's, okay, someone has raised their hand. Yes, you can unmute.
Okay, excuse me one more time. I noticed that to join the call, I had to fill in some credentials. Does it mean we have to do it every time we have to log in?
Where you're talking about in our website? You're talking about our website to access your
Yeah, I mean
course.
to join this call, for example, when I click on the link, it asks me some registration.
Yeah, that's
Yes.
one time register you have to do for the demo sessions, And once you register, you'll get a link on your email. You don't have to click again and again for that registration link. After registration, you have to check your email. You'll get a
Okay.
link on your email. Now you don't have to click again. If you click on registration link, then it will ask you to again register. Don't click on registration link. Check your email. On email, you'll get a Zoom link. From that link, you can join.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
Thank you. Anyone have any more question? Okay. So thank you all. Thank you for joining today's session. See you tomorrow. Have a nice day. Thank you so much.